Good morning. Welcome to week 2 of remote learning in LR English 3. I have no real updates for you guys. I'm not going to post anything new. I just want you all to continue working on your rough draft. If you are done with the packet, then you can start typing. If you have any concerns about anything, please email me. I met with a couple people last week over Google Meets, which was cool. We got to talk face-to-face about the research paper and where you're at and what you need. So I would love to do that. Just email me or message me on Google Classroom and let me know. I'll set it up and we'll get it going. I know there's some of you that have a lot of concerns, especially about the due date. I pushed it back a week. You guys, if it's too soon, I can push it back even more. It's really not a huge deal. All I want is for you guys to be checking in on school days with me. Post something in Google Classroom or email me. Let me know that you're working, because we do have to keep track. The principal has asked us to keep track of students that are not working. So if you have not been on yet or shown your presence or emailed me or posted or done any work, you need to do that and let me know. All right. You guys are all doing a great job. Do not worry about where you're at in the research paper, because we'll make it work. We will get this done. If you have any questions, again, email me. We can set up any kind of communication. All right. Have a great week. Again, please check in. That's important. Please keep working. That's important. All right. Good luck.